Hello YouTube, this is Ben Gessel. How's it going? Um, so, um, oh, sorry. I wanted to show you guys, we'll focus a little bit more on oranges today. So there's three different kinds of oranges you can see here. Um, Mandarins, Valencia oranges, and Cara oranges, kind of the pinker one, the redder one. This kind of guy. So these are all from PCC Natural Markets. And it's not exactly in the peak season, so some of these, the Valencias and Mandarins look a little bit better here than the Caras, I think. And of course, you see some organic red grapes and some blueberries and some Muscat grapes there. These are kind of my fruits. I've got to go down in the morning. I have left some later on, and some leftovers from last night, and a little bit of avocado I'm gonna have really quick, kind of chopped up, in my big salad. So the salad, of course, cilantro, three different kinds of lettuce, some carrots and celery at the bottom, plus some lime juice for it. But regarding oranges, it's hard to know how tasty an orange is going to be when you get it at the store. I look for things like the skin and the smell, and also kind of just how it feels. If the skin is moist, but yet it's still a teensy bit firm, and the smell is really fresh, and you can smell an orangey smell. It can be hard with bigger oranges because sometimes you smell something really orangey with some kinds of oranges, but it's really just the overripe thing. Depends on the type of orange, but it's the smell of other oranges rubbing off from the other orange, and they've been there for a while. So that can smell very good sometimes for oranges or tangelos and that sort of thing. But it's important really important to look at the skin, and again, if the orange or mandarin river feels a teensy bit heavier. I don't know if it's heavier is the right word, but just really fruity, pulpy, a lot of fruit in there, right? And it's especially that skin and the smell. If it just looks really fresh, you're probably gonna get something good. And but oranges are really tricky that way. I mean, they're really tricky to know how good it's going to be. But try to avoid oranges that are really big, or the big ones, or that the skin is really, it feels dry or it feels hard. If the orange feels hard, chances are it's overripe. So you don't want hard. You don't want dry. Nothing. Not that stuff. Definitely not that stuff. You want moist and a teensy bit pliable, a little bit pliable, but not, just a teensy bit soft. It's actually the softness, really. It's kind of like trying to figure out how an avocado is going to be. If it's too soft, it's too mushy, it's overripe. If it's too firm, it doesn't quite ripe yet. It's similar with an orange. So yeah, but I know you can drive yourself crazy that way, but anyway, I tend to have more success at PCC Natural Markets than other places. But anyway, leave me thoughts and comments below. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.